Hi friends, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And friends, today I'm going to show you the experiment egg bubble. Friends, it is an experiment using egg. So friends, let's start. So friends, the materials for this experiment are one egg, a glass jar or a glass, and hot water. And friends, in this experiment, we are using hot water, so be sure you are under adult supervision. So, friends, let's start. So, friends, now for this experiment, first we'll take our glass jar and place an egg in the glass jar. See, friends. And now we will take hot water and pour it slowly in the glass jar. We have to pour the water until the egg is immersed under the water. And friends, now we'll notice the egg for a little time. You will notice that bubbles arise from the egg. You may see streams of bubbles coming out of the eggs as they heat. This is caused by the pocket of air at the bottom of each egg, which expands as it's heated. The expanding air will escape through the tiny pores in the egg's shell and appear as a trail or stream of bubbles. If you have ever filled a pot with water, then set it on the stove to heat, you have probably noticed that tiny bubbles quickly collecting on the bottom of the pan. How come we see bubbles on the bottom of a pan of water long before the water actually boils? Air bubbles form first, long before heating water reaches its boiling point. Tap water contains dissolved air. As the temperature at the bottom of the pan rises, hidden air is forced out of solution, forming visible bubbles. After surrounding the egg with hot water, you will notice tiny bubbles forming on the egg shell, which eventually bubble their way to the surface. The pores allow air to pass through the shell, making it look like the egg is breathing as the air expands and is forced through the shell. An egg contains a small air pocket at its larger end between the eggshell and egg white. When the air trapped inside the small pocket begins to heat up, it expands and tries to find a way out of the shell. friends, if you liked this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science with Ayazullah. Thank you for watching.